went over here to look at the line. It's that way is a little road. That line there's field. Over that way is the driveway. Come back over here, they got part of the tree. Sometimes it's better to get the half a big tree out. You won't get it out of there. It's easy on everything. Here it comes back. So I'm walking here down the tree. When I walk up on the Sawyer, what exactly happened there?
What do you call that?
Kind of got stuck.
Things happen.
Kind of got pressurized on one side.
It stopped me.
Yeah, I see that. Anyway, it happens, I reckon. We got the big green tractor to get it out of here. It's a good day to have a good day.